Hello everyone, Sweta this side. Today in this session, I'll tell you what are the services Infosys is providing to its client. So each and every details are here. You just need to have a look into this. So in this presentation, I'll tell you each and every service which we are providing to its client with a proper information and all. So kindly have a look into this. So this is the this is what our slide, and this is our logo. So I'm planning to change this logo within few days. So that is the only, because I feel like few sites they are also having similar, mostly kind of similar logos. So I want to make it more unique. So I'll just design something for my website and I'll update it as soon as possible. So this is the first slide you can see over here, and we are helping our clients with a value added service. So before moving ahead about the services, let's have a look into this, like who are our target clients. So our target clients are startups, trustworthy partners for high level employees, lead generation and successful email campaign, and newly hunger bee. So let's have a look into this one by one. So we help the startups. So mostly our first priority is startups. So we are targeting to all the startups for their business. We are helping them to have a proper business, and we are helping them to grow their business, and we'll help them in their marketing strategy, in like in a proper successful, in their marketing campaign and marketing strategy, digital marketing strategy, all the kind of things we are helping to the client, to the startups, and we are giving 100% into this. So it's all about the startup, how much they are cope up with this, because sometimes startup also, like, they have their own kind of they have their own spending amount, so they have to check it out that as well. So it's all about them, but we are giving them, like, as I have already told, like we are into in a we are as a company, we are helping our clients in a much better way. We'll suggest them what should be done to have a, like, proper business. Okay, so that's why we are giving them the better service. We are giving them their our 100% to grow their business and all. So this is why I have chosen the startup first of all, and we are not charging much. We are just charging very minimal, just like a, like, if you, how much you are giving to any kind of any person just as a fresher, that much we are just charging from any startup for our service. We are just for any digital marketing, if you say digital marketing for SEO, we are charging hardly like 5 to 7,000, and for social media marketing we are charging 5 to 6,000. So as per the requirement, because if I am talking about there is more environment is required, at that time we are charging much higher. When it comes to requirement is less, at that time we are charging less. So it's all about the requirement which the client has. So here you will get all the details, like what are the, like how we are helping our clients and all. So then trustworthy partners for high level employees, because sometimes the people who are into high level employees, like director, VP or chief level people, they don't have much time to do some random stuff. So we are helping them in their business, mostly in presentation making, getting some leads or any kind of value added service, we are helping them into that. And then lead generation, successful email campaign also we are doing, and newly hunger bee, we are also giving training or mentorship to the new people, mostly those who are newly just joined any company, just because many times it happens, like due to very competitive environment, many times the students or the newly joined employee can't cope up with that. Mostly those who are just like fresher and all, they don't have much experience. So in such scenario, we're also giving them the mentorship for this. Till now we have not started with this one, so we are planning to start with this very soon. Then here you can see we are also helping in market research, lead generation, digital marketing, supporting health and startups. Okay, so market research, mostly we will help you with all the information which you are looking for. We will give you all the information, primary information, secondary information. Primary information includes all the, like, generic or any random information like any company details or getting the company mail id or phone number. These are the primary information, or any their company presence on social media or digital or any digital platform and all. These are called as the primary information. When it comes to secondary information, it's all about the detailed information about a company, about brand or any particular industry and all. So when it comes to secondary industries, let's me tell you about what are the things that include under this. Mostly when it comes to strength, weakness, all the kind of opportunity threat, pest analysis, SWOT analysis, all things will be fall under this. Along with that, the competitive environment and what are their future growth strategy, future growth perspective, each and every details with a statistical format we are presenting to our clients, so that client can get know about it, what we are doing, so that they will client can know about what are the business perspective in the future, so that they will go ahead with that. Okay. Then lead generation, we are helping our clients in lead generation. Mostly when it comes to lead generation, we are helping our clients through email, through LinkedIn. Along with that, we are also helping our clients through contact us fill up and other different kind of lead generation strategies, just like social media marketing and all. Then when it comes to digital marketing, we are helping our clients in SEO, SEM and other digital marketing steps and all, like Google ad or Facebook ad or any kind of ad activities. Then supporting help, yes, we are helping some clients. As I have already told, we have help our clients in extensive ways. Mostly when it comes to any kind of client who are into higher organization, higher authority, or who are into like chief or VP level, we at that time we are also work as a like we are kind of helpful to them. We are helping them in their works, mostly as a admin kind of, you can say, where we are helping them in a presentation making, we are helping them to document making, and these are the works. And we are also helping the startups from the end-to-end services. All right. And then this is how we work. So we need, first of all, we need what are the information we need from you. That is so just like minimum information we need information about your business, authenticity, and third step of verification. Okay. First step, we want that you should share your information, like what your company and product service is all about. Then you can we just need your authentication. If you want, you can authenticate with us. We'll just provide you our past work which we have done. Along with that, you just give us like if you have any authenticate which you can share with us, you can share with us. Then third step is verification. So in verification process, you can we just need to verify like few things. Mostly when it comes to it's all about the amount which you are paying. So it's the last stage, it's all about the negotiation step. So we are just giving you all the kind of negotiation, like how much you will charge and how much we will charge on this. So it's a kind of negotiation strategy. So then service which you are expecting from us, that is will provide you the unique service with a minimal price, verified and authentic service. Okay. So these are very minimal these are the uniqueness of our service. And the price is, when it comes to price, you can see like lead generation we are charging like 5,000 to 10,000 as per the numbers. Mostly we are charging only this much for lead generation. Lead generation is when it comes to any kind of like email marketing or LinkedIn lead generation, all will be fall under that. Market research we are charging 5,000 to 10,000. It's all about as per the requirement. If it is just like primary information, then we are not charging more, which that will be within 5,000. When it comes to like 10,000, it means that we are charging much higher just because of more service. Startup, okay, startup cases we are charging very minimal, that is 5,000 to 10,000 as per the brand base, because startup don't have much much money to spend. So therefore we are helping the startup to grow their business. Okay. Supporting help to the employees, it's like 5,000 to 10,000 based on the requirement, because sometimes when it comes to supporting high level employees, at that time the work also in that way. For an example, if that is for like PPT presentation, we each and every details is very much important for us. So therefore we need to be think about it, we need to work accordingly. We are giving them the qualitative work, therefore we are charging higher for that. So I before like when you will get any when we get any project at that sorry, at that time we are just making the timetable. So we will show you any timetable, like within this much state will give you this much kind of work, and we'll try our best to achieve that. Okay, so you will get also timeline for that. Data mining, yes, we are working on data mining, and this is where you will get all the steps and how working and all. And this is all about the company mapping, how we are doing the company mapping, each and every details are here. And this is all about the market research, statistic in interpretation part is there. And like it is all about this digital marketing, where you can see the review process over this, and here you can see the brochure making. It's all about the digital marketing. And like social media activities, you can check it out over here. So this is all about. So this is not the thing which we are doing right now, we are doing more than that, and that you can check it out from my YouTube. Just kindly have a look into this, look into my YouTube channel, so that you will get in clarity on that what we are doing. So that you just need to have a look into this, and you will understand like, okay, these are the works which we are doing, so that you can follow us for our work, and you can give your quotation on our work. Thank you, have a good day.